Yeah.
Oh.
Huh?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I hope that you are looking so good. Is there any problem?
Yeah, it's a problem. It's a problem. That's why I'm following you. Call you. Problem there.
What is the problem?
Problem there.
What is the problem?
In fact, problem there.
What is the problem? Tell me.
If you hear that problem, manager, the way you go hate that papa.
Station. I know says that is the problem. What is the problem over there? Give me the whole scenario. What is the problem?
I know that you can't speak Chi well, right? That's why I'm rushed to tell you the English. But English is me, I don't understand proper. So, and you know.
Station, give me the whole scenario. What is the problem?
No.
Is there any problem?
Then you say,
what is it?
Boss, we need to tell somebody can't cast me and let me pa. Make it. Because I thought to man can't tell what. When we want to know what that them, but no what went. So, a jay boy.
You mean Nana Yaboa?
Nana Yaboa.
The one in the reception?
You may say the one is the reception.
The bar there.
Bar there.
Okay, what is the problem?
Ubejidi say, "Okofuba hasi odo muntu kwa sa." La same say, "Gani ba hasi woni no kuto kwa de mina say Ghana pie." Akofa principal, emi say mina mama want. Mama obi anti me silence. Bana biji tinem. Me pay be 3 months pay. Ana minya, me di two principal kan be sorti bia out. Na say person woni man person. De wo yang wo yini me ko no a ensem fata. Me de kan me forma de a. Yo. Ana nka. You feel reception for no one gate here. Like I'm in home. So when you get here, they are for bad and they will see it.
Matty, don't worry about it. You're working in about it. I know what I'll do.
Know the way you do, but the way you do, don't try to mention my name in. In this idea, I'm just saying, I will never tell you again.
Don't worry, I will mention you.
Okay.
I know what I'll do. Okay? Right?
My name is only Minas and I'll just beat you.
Don't worry about it.
Let me meet him, baby. Come on, meet him. Yeah. I give me some for one hour.
I hear. Don't worry about it. Okay? You eat today?
Oh, my lady. But in case of any other friend, message. What was your number? Would you be any friend? Sign of yesterday. So one say will be a question on my own lady. Gun and idea cost and but the phone will see young way. Or what is so many of us. And to any when you may say to but also fun side normal. And of course, also, the cost one.
Hannah? Yeah, how are you? Nana? Why? Are you sleeping?
I'm not sleeping.
On your duty?
I'm checking something on my phone.
Oh, okay. When somebody is coming, how do you know that somebody is here?
Who's
Then you are
someone?
maybe somebody is coming to buy something, and then you are checking your phone like this. How can you see the person?
Oh, I can see.
Hannah, how things is going over here? The work is going on. Are you sure? You have everything, the drinks and everything is okay. Nana, the last time the club and the business, you went to buy it.
Yeah.
What about the Alomo and the business?
Oh, I buy something correctly.
Everything's okay.
Yeah, correctly. Alumu, cattle, cattle.
That's which one? Cattle. Oh, okay, the cattle, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What about this thing? The malt? You didn't buy it?
Yeah, I buy them. I buy more.
Oh, okay.
I buy more.
Oh, okay.
And I buy Coke.
Cool.
Yeah, and Fanta.
Oh, okay.
Cattle.
So that's a cattle.
Cattle.
Hannah, I'm going to the bank and then I will come back, okay? Please, let me see.
You want to see me?
Exactly.
Oh, come and see me.
No, let me see your am having some different complainants that when people are coming to drink, people are coming to eat, you are having challenges with them. What is happening?
Master, there is nobody come here and challenge him. I cannot challenge because your work. I know my work and I do it well. I cannot challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I am feeling some challenges that you are having problems with.
Master, who came here and told you I am doing nothing wrong? I cannot do nothing wrong, Master. Here is your complaining. Me, I do my work. If you come to here and you drink club and I say give me money and the person let a shit. Perfectly a shit.
Oh my goodness.
It's not me, Master.
But they are giving me complainers. The last time, one of the guys, I met one of the guys on the road, and he told me that he come to this place, he's come to buy food.
Who guy? Master, tell me who guy?
One of the guys. That's my friend. Sometimes you have to allow the customer.
Master. If you know you can't do me, I can do work here. Tell me. Don't wear African wear. Come and stay here. Me, I respect my time.
I know.
I respect my time.
I know.
Yeah, I respect my.
I know everything that you respect everything. But you don't say I'm a manager over there. If you don't, maybe you don't like this place, I will change you.
If your manager hot for you. If your manager hot for you. Manager funny.
Who is this man? Man, I am talking to you as a man. Why are you challenging me? You are challenging me?
I cannot challenge you.
But the way I'm saying,
the way you are talking, it put me off.
you put you off.
It put me off. Be a message to pay. Me, message to pay. Now you are something crazy in my mind.
I will change you. I know what I'm doing.
Who bet change me? Who bet change me? Now clear back. I want to hear anything. Even this Sancho was saying, no, say, who be a Juma? Now, who brought Thomas and be a Juma? When you have to my workers. When you have to my workers, you need a mere so you see where come Nipa, you see many papa, banana, and one thing, the Canada, the Bebramo, who be a Juma Nipa. Yeah, when you have to and my workers are my family. Adia. I'm frustrated.
Hey, Nana. I was some dark again. I'm not what you.
You are frustrated.
Bluff what I see you. Oh, Hannah.
Frustrated.
And that's how they carry. I'm frustrated. Hey, when I tell many that you're going to talk to one cousin.
I'm